What's up, YouTube? What's going on? Cherry limeade. You know, she still shit looking sharp. Like I said, sixth gens, fifth gens, fourth gens, even third gens. Second gens, of course, first gens, yeah. But whatever you do, you got to keep your tips clean. Keep your tips clean. I don't know how good you can see this right now, but so basically, like y'all know, I got this exhaust from my buddy, 01 quad tip, because mine was the single on each side. But even before, when I had my 1LE, I pretty much kept the valves open, but I had E85 from basically the beginning. So this car, my buddy bought, it was totally stock for like 12,000 miles or so. So, you know, running on 93, the outer tips are just disgusting. Usually you can avoid this by keeping them clean, but that person probably didn't do it. Plus also, if you're running 85, this is not really gonna happen. It's gonna probably look more like this one. So what I'm gonna do today, get you some steel wool. We gotta try to clean this up a little bit. Basically, I got it a little wet. And then basically what you want to do is get in there. Probably should be wearing gloves because it's still wool, but look, that quick. Got that grime out. So basically, like I'm just trying to show y'all, you can do a little preventative maintenance on your car. It's not even maintenance, just beautification. Because you want to do this, and then it'll be easier after a while to keep it clean. But yeah, keep your tips clean. A little steel wool, and you'll be shiny like me. All right, YouTube, we out.